I am Dr. Madhvi Malhotra. I have written this book, A Story of Munira. I learn English in 7 models. This is the result of my research work which I have done. I have gone to various schools and taught people from various levels. I have taught English medium and also people from the slums. So I developed 7 models to teach English, which is a new approach to English grammar. And that's not all. I have used my little of creativity I have made a story to teach English. The story comprises about 20 poems are there, and these 20 poems are linked together in a form of a story. So I would like to give you a glimpse of the book which I have written. And just a minute. See, this is Munira. This is Munira's mother, and who has passed away. And yes, so this is Munira. This is a prayer to Goddess Saraswati. The Munira calls the butterflies, who gives her a message of love. The story of Munira. This is Imran, who is Imran's friend, Munira's friend from Saudi Arabia. This is a painting in Munira's passage. The various exercises after each poem in the form of dialogue. The smiling world of Munira. Mother dwells in her heart. The approach is to make dialogues like I know English, so you make a dialogue. Do you know English? Yes, I know. No, I do not know. So why do you not know English? And Munira knows English. So does she know English? Yes, she knows English. No, she does not know English. So why does she not know English? So there is a complete dialogue which the students have to make, or the readers who want to benefit from this book. It's a multi-dimensional approach to learning. Goddess Saraswati. I will dance with the peacock. The fairy of wisdom. I will learn to speak, I will learn to question, I will learn to count, I will learn to sing. And then I will swim with the swan, and I will float. I'll float on the lotus, and I will dance with the peacock. I am God's special child is another poem. The sun shines bright. It's a little poem followed by exercises. It is raining, and during rain there is a thief who steals into Munira's cottage and steals the tomatoes. The police is hunting for the thief, and later on there is a court scene which is narrated in the passive voice, because for the students to learn passive. My balloons. The balloons promised Munira, and do the balloons fulfill their promise? So this you will know by reading the book. The exercises, adjectives and abstract nouns, in which model do the abstract nouns fit in? Little Lord Krishna. My dear mother, I have not eaten butter. My dear mother, I have not stolen butter. My dear mother, I have not broken pot. So his mother, what does his mother do? So this mother tied him. This is a story of a mother's forbidding finger. Exercises are there. Development of full models. you are able to compare sentences, you are able to understand the differences between the sentences, and if you make one, you can make many. The pizza man who visits Munira's cottage. I have a voice to answer your call. So, now this is another model. This poem is followed by another model. I have a voice to answer every little call. Munira remembers her grandmother. The kite. Munira flies a kite and she learns to smile if the kite gets cut. So there are some models where I teach them how to make sentences on like I get my work done, I got my work done, and things like that. Another model where different kinds of sentences are there. On get, I got injured, I get injured, I get worried, I got worried. All this get. This is model number 3. And model number we follow A4 model where you have sentences. See the Munira Joker makes Munira laugh. Now you past tense में made. This is another model which helps the students to formulate a certain kind of sentences. So in A there are about 4 models, but the structure is same. Acha, now then there are take to taken. This is a model 4 where all accidents take place. The butterflies, they take birth. The butterflies take birth. So butterflies took birth, and so on take the take model. The take place, took place, are taking place. So this is my model 4, where different particular kind of sentences fit into this model. Like a birth takes place, death takes place. Solar eclipse takes place. So different kind of sentences, and then dialogues followed by dialogues. It took place, the lunar eclipse occurred, or it took place. So I teach them the differences in these sentences, how to make such sentences in the different tenses, and how you can make it the same sentence, you can make it in so many other ways. So transformation of sentences. Sita, the story of Sita, followed by exercises. My Dear Mother is another poem. So many questions in Munira's mind. Why is the sky so blue? Why is the rose so red? Why are the stars so tiny? Why is the ocean so vast? Why are the mountains so high? And why are your eyes so black? And my dear mother, why are you so beautiful and so very kind? So this is a weather poem. Why does the sun shine? Why do the birds sing? Why does the peacock dance? My dear mother, why do you love so? Followed by other, the calf seeks the cow, and it's like that. And followed by lot of exercises where the students can do these exercises and learn to be perfect in English. Now these poems are written in the past tense, and in the model B, we are in the model B. Is, was, will be, can be, maybe, should be, has to be, going to be, maybe. This is the B model. Passive fits into the B model. Is, was, will be, can be, maybe, should be, is going to be, has to be, let be, can be, maybe. All this has to be. So here this structure is there, and you have to see this more. These columns are there, and you can make so many sentences by taking words from the different columns. So these are exercises. A promise. This is Shravan Kumar's story, and followed by exercises. And yes, these are written in the past tense. The great, a sage without a shirt. So this goes to the great Mahatma Gandhi also. Yeah. So Munira has a gift for a father on his birthday. So this is another poem. My dear father, it's your birthday, so I ransack my heart for a gift, as precious as your love for me. Yeah. Now I have fingers to type, and I can be a surgeon, doctor, fingers to type. I have so many instruments. I have so information. I have knowledge. I have instrument. So many instruments. I can be a musician. I can be a singer, but so I am a complete instrumental man. I have expertise. Rain. So the rain. I have taught them to make sentences on rain in both the models, in model A and B. In model A, it rains. It is raining. It was raining. It rained. It has rained. It had rained. It will rain. It can rain. It may rain. It should rain. It has to rain. Let it rain. But in model B, we can express the same idea. There is rain. There was rain. There will be rain. There can be rain. There should be rain. There has to be rain. Let there be rain. The same idea, but the structure is different. So in English, there are only two ways, two models, A and B. There is nothing beyond it. Entire English fits into these two models. In fact, when I taught, my whole English grammar was written on my 4 walls of Shiksha Deep, which was my institute. Come butterfly, come. So what does, there's a dialogue between the butterfly and Munira. So there's, now this is, butterfly likes Munira's mother more than the dishes on the table. So butterfly also is as sensitive, as emotional, and she loves Munira's mother more than she loves the dishes on the table. Imran buries the butterfly. Message of the butterfly. What message butterfly gives to Munira? Rain made a holiday for Munira. The dark clouds, they gave Munira a holiday. And was there sunshine in Munira's garden once again? Let us see. Okay. This is also another model to teach sentence making, a 2-verb model. Yes, there is a case on the stolen tomatoes once again in the court, and this is taught in the passive voice. The thief stole tomatoes because the mother was ill and needed tomato soup. So the pizza man, the sweet melody was played by Lord Krishna. This again passive voice. The butterflies. Where was the butterfly buried? How the butterfly died on the flower. Lot of exercises and revision exercises. And let us see what Munira has. Yeah, see, this is the lost ring. It's found again, how she finds the ring, and it is Imran's ring. So Munira remembers Imran, who has gone to Saudi Arabia. Munira had a dream, how she chooses her career. She in botany, she likes flowers, she loves flowers. So a visitor to Munira's cottage. She helps this old woman. This is a painting on Munira's a passage which attracts the butterfly. Seven models to teach English. 4 models in A and 3 models in Group B. A new approach to English. English simplified. This book is written with the main aim was to give a solution to the problem that is existing. This is a format which I have given, which can be learnt in a short time. Even those people who know less of English and want to study it thoroughly, this is a model which gives you a thorough picture of the whole. Thorough picture of the whole. You can see the globe. Like as you turn the globe, you can see the entire thing. See the entire English in these models, in these charts. All is this English and nothing beyond it, I assure you. The same sentences are, you can study it more, you can transform them and understand deeply. So, and let us see what the end is. These are all exercises, revision work. In the end, of course, I didn't want to miss anything. This, indirect and direct also have taken from the models. Like the models are converted into direct and direct. Maybe this is too much for the juniors, but as they grow up, they can use this for that also, for indirect and direct. Let's revise revision of everything. Lot of revision exercises. This is the end. I have learnt all. Munira says I have learnt all, and I will make no mistakes. I have merged with the song of Goddess Saraswati. She has merged with the song of Goddess Saraswati. And my mother, dear mother, I have merged with Goddess Saraswati. I have merged with the song of the birds. I have merged with the sounds of the bell. The river is not dry today. Dear mother, my heart flows into you. The water over the hills is not frozen. The birds sing. It is as though mother has returned. I cease to be Munira today. Mother dwells in me. It is mother. Father sees in me. Mother, I am the very you. The virtues you taught me. Lessons you left I shall not forget. What is in a name? I am your spirit, mother. That's the end. And the students convert these into questions. Each line is converted into I have merged with Goddess Saraswati. To have you merged with Goddess Saraswati? So this could be an ideal gift for a child, and a birthday gift for any child. And thank you.